We continue following the latest in the death of 6-year-old Samuel Olson. Tomorrow, his father's girlfriend, Theresa Balboa, expected to appear in court on charges that she tampered with evidence. Before a body was found matching that little boy's description, Texas EquiSearch was called in to help search for him. KPRC2 spoke with Tim Miller, that organization's leader, about his thoughts now that Balboa is in jail just days after pleading for that boy's return. Channel 2's Joe Eisenbaum has more on this story.
You know, Tim Miller is familiar with these types of horrific and really challenging cases, and I would say from the get-go, he was skeptical about Balboa's claim that the boy had been taken by his mother and a police officer. That just didn't ring true with him.
So the morning we start the search, I actually forced Theresa to do an interview and to put out there what she knew.
Texas EquiSearch founder Tim Miller, not mincing words, about his feelings toward Theresa Balboa.
I told her, I said, I'm very disappointed in everything you just told the whole world's a lie. And there was absolutely no emotion in her. And she just looked at me and she said, yes, sir.
Balboa is now facing a charge of tampering with evidence, human corpse. That after the body of what's believed to be 6-year-old Samuel Olson was found in a Jasper motel room on Tuesday. According to court documents, Samuel had been dead 2 weeks before his father reported him missing to law enforcement on May 27th. His body was at an apartment that Balboa shared with a roommate in Webster. It had been there for days before she allegedly took the body to a storage facility and later to that motel in Jasper.
It was a huge shock to everybody in the family, but I don't think it was a shock to anybody outside the family.
But one big question remains. Why did Samuel Olson have to die?
I let that family know no matter if 100% of truth comes out on how and why it happened, there's still never going to be an answer that's going to be satisfying.
Balboa is expected to appear before a Harris County judge Monday morning. It's important to note that at this point she is only charged with tampering with evidence, but that charge could be upgraded depending on the outcome of the medical examiner's autopsy. We're downtown tonight. Joel Eisenbaum, KPRC 2 News.
And be sure to stay with KPRC2 both on air and online for